Hello everyone, Third 20 in here, back with another video. Now today is a little bit different. I know I said that in my other talks in my other video, but today I'm going to show you how to make a 20 video. For the editor, I actually use two editors, but mainly Catwing. It normally depends on how long the video. Gotta keep in mind that you need to make an account on Catwing, so there's no watermarks, and that the max file size, and there's also a max time limit as well. So now I got out of the way of the cons of Catwing, let's make a video. Oops, did not want to do that. So okay, so first off, let's trim a video. Let's say you want this big explosion. You can always trim by moving this slider, or you can always split. You can also crop videos by using this. And make sure that it's by 16:9 for most YouTube videos. Okay. Now let's go to adjust. This is where you can also do this. You can make the video disappear, up the brightness, down the brightness, contrast, or saturation, or mixture of both. And you can also blur as well. So now you can also offer it. You can use it you can also use it for green screen. For example, I just took that explosion out. So now I can actually add another thing, which is images. So let's just search about. Yeah, okay, I'll use this one. Sorry for a little bit of background noise. And there you go. The sky is exploding. Alright. And you can also add text. Let me show you. You can also add text. You can make it different size. You can have a drop bar. You can then add a color. You can make it light or dark, or none. And you can also animate the text or the thing, which called are called transitions, I guess. You can also add corners like this. You can lower the volume. You can also add sound. So let's say I want you can also add sound as well. So you can just have the explosion sound for this example. You can also, for images, you can also erase either by a magic wand or erasing it by hand. So, because Catwing is also used as a image editor. And finally, the last thing, you can also rotate, flip that, and add outlines. And Yeah, once you're done with the video, you can process it by hitting export video. You would need to download the video. Oh, now, once I'm done making the right edits and stuff, I would while waiting for the video to export, normally I would make the thumbnail. I use Microsoft Paint 3D, or MS Paint 3D, or whatever you call it. Yes, I use MS Paint, and I use Kaplan. I'm a little bit cringe, but it's better than my 2019 videos, that's for sure. Alright, and like I said before, that if there is a file reach to my size, normally for longer videos, like my most viewed video in the history of the most visited Roblox games video, which is more than the max length. So normally I would break up the videos in 2 different parts and use a different editing software called Shotcut. I'll also use that for reversing the video. And that's all I have to say. Peace out.